Okay, hi, smart listener. Welcome back to us, Smart FM, Smart of Your Life. So we will continue in our conversation. So yeah, actually, I have the interest question for you. So what
What
is
is
your
that?
yeah, what is your goals on and how do you prepare to gain your goals? Yeah, actually, I do believe you have goals, right?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I think you guys are really curious with my goal in the future. Yeah,
Okay, Vice
uh,
President, what is your
I
goals?
wanna explain one of my goals in my life. That is, I want to continue my study in abroad.
Oh, amin,
Yeah,
amin.
so and
In
there
where?
are
In where?
yeah in United States,
Wah,
I
Masya
guess.
Allah. Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Whatever's the uh, but it's good if in United States because it's an English country, so I can improve my English and learn more about English, their culture and everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, if you ask me about what thing that I have sacrificed with the goals, uh, like I said before, that I joined here because I join in some community, English community like BPC for example. It because I want to upgrade my English, improve my English, and learn about TOEFL and IELTS or something like that, so I can pass the test. Because one of the rule that we have to pass is IELTS or TOEFL test.
Yeah.
And if in campus it's less about learn IELTS and TOEFL, but yeah, that's my experience. I don't
Yeah,
know
yeah.
your experience. It's my experience,
Okay.
based on my own experience. Yeah, and to learn more about IELTS and TOEFL, I have to looking for English community, because in English community we find like people that also want to learn about English. So we are in same frequency. For example, in BPC, we have like DTD, door to door. In door to door, we learn about grammar or TOEFL or something like that, speaking. And yeah, that's good for me because I can learn about TOEFL, and it's one of the thing, the one of the thing that can help me to go abroad. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, thank you. So okay, so actually, guys, if it is the alternative, if you wanna learn more, because in campus probably we have a limited time, right? So that's why it's totally hard to improve in our English. So what about Bu President? What is your goals and how do you prepare to gain your goals?
It sounds like that I'm very old. You call me Boo President. Wow.
No, no, I'm just
Yeah. Sorry.
What
Pardon
is-
your.
Yeah, what is your goals and how do you prepare to
Yeah.
gain your goals?
My own goals. I think it's just like. I think all of, especially like English education students, want to go to abroad, study abroad,
Amin,
maybe.
amin,
But
amin.
I actually have traveling as my hobby.
Okay.
But the but the problem is that I don't have enough money. So yeah, and yeah, that's the one of my goal. I want to travel to abroad, not only for study, but I want to see the vacations of the country, and especially I actually really want to go Turkey, especially Cappadocia. Yeah, if you
Amin.
watch if you watch Layangan Putus, I think you will know it because it's really viral. The dialect of the drama actually going viral, the Cappadocia. And yeah, that's one of my goal. And I think the problem is money, right? So
Yeah.
how to reach that goals? Actually, I need to yeah make some money, I guess. I also want to be a businesswoman. So yeah, it's just like I want to be a businesswoman so I can go travel abroad, and I also can make not only relations in not only domestic relations but also international relations. So yeah, that's my goal. That's for
Okay,
me.
nice. So yeah, exactly. We need money, right? And yeah, but for your information, smart listener, you have another alternative like a scholarship if you
Yeah.
wanna going study abroad, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you, Miss Inna. Okay, the next, Miss Fatana, what is your goals?
According with my adult
Yeah.
perception, uh, I don't have many goals for this year, but I hope this year I can finishing my study, be
Amin.
a bachelor degrees. I mean, and then my my what should I do for
Yeah.
for catch my goals? Is it this time? Is this time?
Yeah.
I wake up
Go
so
on.
early for going to the library and working my last essay. I mean, like a last work for last subject.
Yes.
It's scriptsy, and then I go to the
Library.
library and then open the scriptsy and then thesis. Yes, all right, and then. Copas or I'm not copy I'm not copy paste but paraphrasing my thesis that and then just it my goals
Okay.
finishing my study.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Amin.
So I do hope you can gain your goals.
Alright.
Amin, amin.
This year, I mean,
Amin. So what about Miss Sam? What is your goals?
Okay, talking about goals, just like others, I have a dream to go abroad and also to live abroad.
Amin,
Uh,
amin. Oh, live abroad. Where you
in
wanna live?
Australia, and I want to live in US.
Wah,
Yes, that's
Why?
my goal. And I don't know, but I just want to like find the new environment in there, and I hope one day I can reach that goal. And also, yeah, for now on, I want to be, for now on, I want to like study abroad, of course, but I don't have a lot of money to study abroad, but I want to like have a scholarship, yeah, like LPDP or something like
amin.
that. And the thing that I will have to prepare for that is, of course, my time, and also my time to study hard to reach the goal, and also like what else, to prepare my GPA in a good GPA, because when we apply scholarship, the GPA is the requirement
Yeah,
for us. And yeah, I think that's all.
yeah, okay.
And also I want to be a lecturer,
Amin,
guys.
amin.
One day I
We wish
In
to be a
US.
lecturer someday. Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Samantha. So the last, maybe Brother Aldan. Cause yeah, guys,
What is your
we have a
question?
limited time. Probably you can prepare your vocab or idioms, right? Okay, yeah. The same question is that what kind your goals and how do you preparing? I mean,
My goal is to be a businessman. So it's
Amin.
it's not easy, right?
Mhm.
But I think if you want to, this is my tips. Yeah, I actually implement ikigai. If you guys know,
I know it.
yeah, the term of
Ikigai.
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 So you have to like work for money for the things that people really need. Yeah, and like the world needs. For example, for right now, yeah, what people really need and what companies really need is IT.
Yeah.
Well, really nearly we have to learn IT as well to improve our capacity in order that we can easily pass in a big company, and of course English, right? English is a must, especially for workers if they want to study abroad or want to work in a big company. They actually require someone who are able to speak English. So yeah, I mean everyone must be able to speak English in this today, right? and
And also, I also want to spill that I've read from the book of Rise Above the Crowd. And the book mentioned that put high target in your life. So people who are put small and small target is different with people who put high target in their life. They will intentionally find the strategies, find the ideas, which is how to pass the process, and how to find a very best way that can achieve our dreams and goals. So you have to find strategies, find best way. Like maybe you guys can go to the library like our brother did before, right? And join with community. Maybe you cannot be like someone who are just having a friend, lots of friends, having networking like that. They already get like big circle that can help them. So networking is also important part. Yeah, of course. Like this, we guys can in radio because we have a networking. We study together.
Yeah.
So like make friends with everyone without choosing the race or the religion or something like that. Maybe in the future they will give you an impact. Like they can help you to their company, to join with their company and to study together. I think that's it.
Yeah, exactly. I agree about that, right? Because we have to make a relationship with to be kind of people, right? And yeah, thank you guys. And I think that's all for in our conversation today. So yeah, can you bye with smart listener? Bye bye. Thank you.
See you in the next.
See you next week.